Hi everyone. uh, I have started a new tutorial where I will introduce you with Windows 10. So we can start with it. In this tutorial I will show you the Windows 10 desktop. So as you have seen that whenever we are opening our laptop using the power button, as I guess you all know how to open a laptop or desktop, you will see a window like this. So this is Windows desktop, and here you can see these types of items here, which are known as desktop icon. If we want to move an icon, we have to click on this icon, then we can drag it to the up. As you have seen that the icons are moving from bottom to up. You can do it again. So we have moved this PC. After selecting it, we drag it to the top. So in this way we can moving the desktop icons. Now as you have seen that there is a bar which is known as Windows taskbar. Now I'm showing you what's actually here one by one. This is the notification tag. Here you can see all the notifications that are coming to you. Then this is the calendar tab. So after clicking on it, you can see calendar, time, date, day, year, everything from this icon. This is the volume icon. From here you can control your speaker in this way. You can maximize your volume, you can minimize your volume. This is the internet connection icon. Whenever your PC is connected with an internet connection, you can see it here. Then this is the battery section. From here you can check how much battery your laptop has and how long it could running it without any charging. Next, there is a arrow here. Whenever click on it, you can see that the hidden icons actually under it. Then in the next tab, this is the new features actually coming to Windows 10. Whenever your laptop is connected with internet, it will show you the temperature, daily temperature each day. Then this is the task viewer. You can see if there is anything open, you can go to these sort of files very quickly using this task view icon. And this is the search bar. Here you can search anything in this laptop. And lastly, there is a start button where you can see the main menus here. From here, after clicking on a start menu, you can turn your PC to the sleep mode, you can shut it down, or you can restart it. And also there is a setting options. From setting you can set up different types of functions in your PC or laptop. So here if we click on it, time and language, you can set the time zone here, This way you can set the time and language of your PC. There is also region section. You can choose the region as well. You can set the language of your PC, and there is a speech option. It take your speech, voice speech, and then convert it into a command. So this is the Windows. Now we can go to the personalize. To personalize it, we have to click on right button of our mouse, and you can click on personalize. So in personalize, you can choose the background. You can change the background. You can change the background with pictures, solid colors, or slideshows. So if we choose picture and choose a picture in it, just like for the time being we are choosing this one, and if we get back to the Windows desktop, we can see that the picture is changed. Now then the color. So for the time being this color is chosen. If we choose any other color from it, it will automatically change. Just like for the time being we can choose this one. So as you have seen that everything is changing with this color. We are getting back to our main color as well. Then lock screen. So whenever our screen will be locked, we can choose a picture so that it will appear when our screen is locked. Then there is a theme section. We can choose theme from here. There are some themes available. If we choose one, then our theme will be changed. Next, there is a font section. So we can choose what types of fonts will be appear from here. There are the available fonts right now which are already installed in our laptop. So from here we can choose the fonts for our PC. There is a start button. From here we can control what actually will be shown in the start menu or in our taskbar. And lastly there is a taskbar. We can lock the taskbar or we can unlock the taskbar from here. So this is the overview of Windows 10 desktop. In next tutorial I will show you how we could manipulate the Windows desktop. So thank you for watching. I hope you get a clear idea about Windows 10 desktop and how you could personalize it and how you could change or personalize your desktop in your way. So thank you for watching.